Good afternoon. How are you doing? And please like, share, comment, and subscribe. If you're new to this channel, please hit the notification bell. All right. Today we have another unboxing. This just came in the mail. So let's see what it is. Let me open here. So, oh, so I've been waiting for this. This is the base for the Osmo Mobile 2 gimbal. And this is actually what I've been using the Osmo Mobile 2 gimbal to record all my videos. So the one thing that it doesn't come with is the base. So I had to order that on Alibaba Express. So let's see and let's unbox this. Seems to be a few items in there. So let's open this up. Alrighty. Very nice. The quality is pretty good. Pretty much OEM quality. And it didn't cost that much. All right. And this is the attachment tool right here, which allows you to screw this in and attach it to the base. All right. I'm very glad it came. No concerns about the product. Seems pretty good. All right. So that's all I got to say. So thank you and have a nice day. Hey, if you want to win a $50 Amazon gift card, all you have to do is like, share, comment, and subscribe. And the first 1,000 subscribers will be entered into a draw to win this $50 gift card.